Hi, I'm Nick. Today I'm going to be talking to wedding filmmakers with 3 reasons why you should be miking up your brides on a wedding day, and then I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do so. Number 1, it is another source of audio. If you've been in the wedding filmmaking game for very long, you know that you can't ever have too many backups. You can't ever have too many sources of audio. So during a ceremony, I have my groom mic'd up, I have my officiant mic'd up, I have my bride mic'd up, we have a couple ambient mics, we have a board mic plugged in. You can never have too much audio on the wedding day. So this is just another source. It's another backup in case the groom's mic goes out or the officiant's mic goes out or something like that. You have another one that hopefully you can rely on the wedding day. It is a great way to just back up your audio again. Number 2, it ups your production value. We are a service-based company, and so I want the best for my couples, and I want to do everything I can to give them the best product possible. So I go up to my brides and I say, hey, I would really like to put a mic on you, and this is why. It is going to give you the best and most cleanest source of audio throughout the day. Your first look, whenever you read letters together, maybe the girls in their room before the ceremony have a prayer together. Then I don't have to worry about miking up someone. There's already a mic on the bride. During the ceremony, your vows are going to be nice and clean and crisp, and you're going to be able to hear them. It's going to be a keepsake for the rest of your life. Being able to capture what the bride says whenever she's walking up to her first look, or maybe a few words that she has to her father while they're walking down the aisle, or a conversation or something that you filmed that you don't have time to put a mic on the bride. All of these are so valuable and definite reasons why you should put a mic on your bride. Number 3, it sounds better. I have talked to so many people that they say putting it on the groom is good enough. Well, yeah, it's good enough until you experience what it's like to actually put a mic on the bride. And then you realize that putting a mic on the groom isn't good enough. I had an experience last summer where I had the groom mic'd and the bride mic'd, and it was an outdoor wedding. You wouldn't have been able to hear what she had to say because it was so windy and she didn't talk really loud, and you wouldn't have been able to hear the beautiful vows, the promises that she made to her husband for the rest of her life.
My partner in life. But long before you were a thought in my mind and a feeling in my heart, you were somebody else's. My partner in life. But long before you were a thought in my mind and a feeling in my heart, you were somebody else's.
Here's all the gear that we use to mic up our brides on a wedding day. We will have links in our description below if you'd like more information about these products. Now we're going to jump over into a tutorial, and Jen is going to show you how she mics up a bride on every single wedding day.
This is how we mic up the bride. We take the lav mic here, and we have these little stickers called undercovers. And we will take this undercover and we'll put it right here in the bust area. We stick the mic on top of that. And then we have these little felt covers that go over that. And then we just thread the wire through the dress while it's hanging up. Once the bride has her dress on, we will take this strap that we will link in the description below, and we have the recorder. We will, we usually do this like right after she puts it on because the mic hangs down and brides kind of find it annoying just hanging there. We will plug it in, and then I like to wind up the cord. Well, usually it takes a little finagling. This is usually we'll make some stupid joke like we're gonna be best friends by the end of this day, you know, and the bride gives me a pity laugh or something. And I will either put it right here just above the knee or right below. And that just kind of is a preference on what the bride wants. And then I make sure it's pretty tight because as the day goes on, brides sweat and all kinds of stuff. And sometimes it will slip a little bit. Then I'll just ask her if it feels secure, have her stand up. Does it feel good? Then after the ceremony is over, the first thing I will do is go to the bride and groom and get their mics. So whenever I do that with the bride, I'll just have her put her hand like in the cleavage and unfasten the mic. So go ahead and do that. And I'll pull the mic through. Yeah, this way. There we go. Perfect. And there you go.
Putting a mic on your bride is a great way to back up your audio and just have another source. It totally ups your production value so that people see you as more of a big deal and you're totally taking care of your clients. And then it also helps them sound so much better and you get nice, clean, crisp audio from your brides who are such an important part of the story that you are telling. Do you mic up the brides, or is this something that you're considering doing? Please let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see ya.